Welcome back to Business Mathematics 1 MA 1103. I'm Eric from Mathematics Study Program, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, ITB. So for today, we are still going to talk about probability and statistic, that is on the expected value, standard deviation, and variance of a random variable. Let's get started. So this is the definition of the expected value of a random variable. The expected value is the value expected that occurs in a long time. Yeah, not so good definition in a sense, yeah. Suppose we have a class, the exam mark obtained are 70, 80, 90, 80, and 70. So the average of the exam mark is, this X bar is 78. So, the average of the class exam mark can be considered as the expected value of an exam mark of a child in the class. So, if I pick one child in the class, So, the expected value of his or her exam mark is 78. So, it is given by the average. Yeah. If random variable x denotes a child exam mark on that class, then expected value of the random variable x, which is mu, is the expected value of a child exam mark in the class is 78. The expected value of random variable can be considered as a weighted average. Later we can see what is meant by weighted average. Yeah, this one, weighted average. 70 times the weighted average. The weighted average is 2 over 5. 2 over 5, that 1 over 5. Or we can just look at this as the probability. Yeah, 2 of the children out of 5. 2 of the children in the class out of 5. 1 of the children in the class out of 5. Weighted average. Note, if we can find the probability distribution table, then expected value of a random variable can be determined easily. And if Ex equals mu denotes the mean or average in a sense of a random variable, then the variance is the total sum of the squared deviation from the mean. Total sum of squared deviation from the mean. While the standard deviation is, in quotation mark, total deviation from the mean. Looking at the previous example on the average of exam mark, the table of probability distribution is given by this one. When x equals 70, the probability is 2 out of 5, 80, 2 out of 5, 90, 1 over 5. So the mean, the expected value is given by 70 times 2 over 5 plus 80 times 2 over 5, 90 times 1 over 5. Average, weighted average. This is the weight, and I have weighted average. The variance of the random variable x is the summation of squared deviation, the deviation from the expected value, squared, the squared deviation from the mean is the variation. And I have 56. And the standard deviation of the random variables is the total deviation from the mean, the square root of this. And you have 7.48. So if we have a probability distribution table as follows, we can have the formula as follows. The expected value Ex of mu is the summation from 1 until 10 of xipi. So the expected value of variable x is x1 times p1 plus x2 times p2 times x3 plus p3 and so on until xn times pn. That is meant by this symbol, summation. What about the variance? The squared deviation from the expected value, squared of the deviation times the probability. And you have summation of this. And what about the standard deviation? It's just the square root of the variation. Okay, yeah? And there are still lots to learn, but it's enough for now. See you at the second semester. Okay, so we have already learned what is the expected value. That is the weighted average. Weighted average, yeah. And the variance is the total variation, yeah, square of the deviation times the probability. You have the summation of all the variation, and the standard deviation is the square root of the variation. Okay, thank you.